In my previous video, we have already seen different type of number systems used in digital circuits. In this video, I am going to deal with conversion of these number systems. So, as you all know, there are four types of number systems. They are binary number system, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. These number systems can be converted from one form into another form. That is, binary can be converted to decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Similarly, decimal can be converted to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Same way, octal and hexadecimal can be converted into another forms also. So, we will be seeing each of these conversion in detail. First, we will be seeing binary number system. Binary number system can be converted into decimal number system, hexadecimal number system as well as to octal number system. Your first conversion is from binary to decimal. First question, convert 11011.101 to the base 2 to decimal. As you know, binary number system uses two independent symbols, that is 0 and 1. So, this 0 and 1 means you can identify it as binary number system. Now, you have to convert this binary number system into corresponding decimal number system. So, first you have to denote in this manner itself 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, dot 1, 0, 1. Now, you have to take numbers from this point to left side. So, you can name it as 2 raised to 0. Here you can put 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 3 and finally 2 raised to 4. Now, you have to put dot. After dot, you have to put 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2 and 2 raised to minus 3. Now, you have to take 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Now, you have to put a dot and you have to take these things. That is, from 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 is 1 into 1 by 2. 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 is 0 multiplied by 1 by 2 square. Then 1 into 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 1 by 2 cube. So, here you can take 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 3 8, 0 is 0 itself. Then 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 0 means 1. So, 1 by 2 means 0.5 plus 0 into 1 by 2 square, which is equal to 0. 1 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is equal to 0.125. 0.125. Don't get confused with this point. Then 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 27. 0.5 plus 0.125 is 0.625. So, your answer is 27.625 to the base 10. Hope you have understood this conversion, that is from binary to decimal. Don't get confused with this point. You have to take 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 from right to left, and from after point you have to take from left to right. Don't get confused. Then next one is binary to octal conversion. Your question is convert 110.101010 to the base 2 to octal. So, octal means what? Octal means it has got 8 independent signals. That is, base is equal to 8, which can be represented as 2 raised to 3. So, every 3-bit group of binary can be represented by an octal digit. So, first you have to write this question itself 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 dot 1 0 1 0 1 0. For octet conversion, you have to group it into 3. So from point, you have to take this point into consideration. From this point, you have to group it into 3. So you can take here 3 and that is 1, 2, 3. Here also you can take 3 numbers. From after point, you have to count it from here. So you have to count it from here 1, 2, 3. So you can take 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you can group here. Now you have to take 1, 0, 1 means you will be knowing it as 5. 1, 1, 0 means 6. Then put a dot here. 1, 0, 1 is 5. 0, 1, 0 is 2. So your answer is 65.52 to the base 8. Very simple. So for converting binary to octal, you have to group in this manner. From point, you have to group here. From you have to take 3 numbers to the left, and after point you have to take 3 numbers. You have to group 3 numbers to the right. Don't get confused with this point. If there is no point, you can simply take it from here and you can write it. Third number system conversion is binary to hexadecimal. So first you have to write this question itself. So you can put question in this manner: 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 dot 0 1 1 1 1 1. Now you have to convert it into hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means, hexa means 16 independent symbols. That is, it can be represented as 2 raised to 4. So you have to group it into 4 bit of group of binary. So from point here, you can count from here. That is, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it as a group. So this will be one group. Then count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be another set of numbers, and here 1, 2, 3. Only 3 numbers. So you can put a 0 here and you can group here. So after point, you have to count from here. So you have to group here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can group here. Then there is only 2 numbers, that is 1 and 2. You can put 2 zeros here and you can group it. Now you have to count. 0 0 1 0 means 2. 1 1 1 1 means, which is F, 15. Then 1 0 1 1 means B. Then put a dot here. 0 1 1 1 means 7. 1 1 0 0 means C. So you can simply write the answer as 2FB.7C to the base 60. Second type of number system is decimal number system. So decimal number system also can be converted into 3 types: decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Now we are going to see decimal to binary conversion. So for your first question is convert 105.15 to the base 10. That is, base 10 means decimal number system. Decimal number system includes 10 independent symbols, ranges from 0 to 9. To binary. Binary having only 2 independent symbols, that is 0 and 1. So you have to convert it into either 0 or into 1. So 105. First take 105. Now in order to convert it into binary, binary means base equal to 2. To divide continuously by 2. That is 105 by 2, which is equal to 52. 104, remainder 1. Then again 2, 26, remainder 0. Again 2, which is 13, remainder 0. Again 2, that is 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. Then again divide by 2, which is equal to 3, 3 2s are 6, which is remainder 0. Then again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Then you have to go in this manner. So your final answer will be 1 1, take this one also, 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Now you have to consider decimal part, that is 15.15. This decimal part you have to multiply it by 2. So 0.15 into 2, which is equal to 0.30. Then again 0.30 into 2, which is equal to 0.60. Then 0.60 into 2, which is equal to 1.20. Then 1.20, you don't have to take this one, you have to take only decimal portion. So we again 0.20 into 2, which is equal to 0.40. If you are taking 1.20, you will be getting it as 1.20 into 2, which is equal to 2.40. 2.40 doesn't comes under this limit, 0 and 1. So you have to take only this decimal portion, 0.20 into 2, which is equal to 0.40. Then again 0.40 into 2, which is equal to 0.80. Then again 0.80 into 2, which is equal to 1.60. Then 0.60 into 2, 1.20 and so on. So you have to go in this manner here. So you have to take 0 0 1 0 0 1. So now you have to write in this manner 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now your final answer will be this portion, that is 1101 0 0 1 dot your decimal portion, which is equal to 0 0 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. You can stop at 4 decimal places. Your multiplication can be stopped until here, or you can continue when repetition occurs, until repetition occurs. This is the conversion of decimal to binary. So decimal means 10 independent symbols. That has to be converted into binary, means only 2 independent symbols, 0 and 1. So first portion you have to divide it by 2, and decimal portion you have to continuous multiplication by 2. Now you will be saying decimal to octal conversion. Your second question is convert 378.93 to the base 10 to octal. So what do you mean by octal? Octal means it has got 8 independent symbols, ranges from 0 to 7. So you have to take 378 first. So like binary conversion, here you have to multiply it by 8, because octal means 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. It has got 8 independent symbols, ranges from 0 to 7. So here you have to divide it by 8. So 378 divided by 8, which is equal to 47. 47 into 8, remainder will be 2. Then again by 8, you know 8 5s are 40, remainder 7. Again divided by 8, here 5. So you have to take in this manner. So your answer is 572. Now you have to take this decimal portion. Decimal portion is 0.93. Like in binary, you have to multiply it by 8. 0.93 into 8, which is equal to 7.44. Again you have to take this decimal portion. So 0.44 into 8, which is equal to 3.52. Again you have to take this decimal portion, 0.52 into 8, which is equal to 4.16. Again this decimal portion, 0.16 into 8, which is equal to 1.28. Now you have to go in this manner. So your answer will be 7341. Like this will repeats You can stop until it reaches at 4 decimal places. So your final answer will be 572.7341. Since it is octal, base is 8. Now we can see decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Your third question is convert 2598.675 to the base 10 to hexadecimal. So first you have to think. Hexadecimal means it involves 16 independent symbols which ranges from 0 to 9 and also from A to F. So here you have to take this portion first. So 2598 same as in binary and octal. Here you have to divide it by 16. So 2598 divided by 16, 162, which having remainder 6, then again by 16, that will be 10, remainder 2, then again by 16, this 10 will come here. You can take in this manner. Same procedure. Here your answer is 10 to 6. Then you have to take this portion 0.675. Here you have to multiply it by 16. So 0.675 into 16 which is equal to 10.8. Here also you have to take this 0.8 portion, that is decimal portion. Again 0.8 into 16 which is equal to 12.8. Again this 8. So 0.8 into 16, this repeats 12.8 and so on. So here you have to take in this manner. So you can represent it as 10, 12, 12, 12. Now you can combine these two. Your final answer will be 1026.10121212. Here this is not your final answer since your hexadecimal numbers ranges from 0 to 9 as well as from A to F. So you have to convert this portion into A to 9 portion, A to F portion, because this contains 10, 12, 12, 12. So you have to finally write the answer as 1026.1026 also you can convert. 1026 means here 10 means which is equal to A. 26 as such you can return. Then here 10 means A, 12 means C to the base 16. So since hexadecimal ranges from 0 to 9 as well as from A to F, here your answer you have to convert into these number portions. So 10 means A, 26 as such you can return because it comes under the range of 0 to 9. Then 10 means A, 12 comes as C to the base 16. Hope you have understood decimal number system conversion. Now we will see octal number system conversions. Octal number system also can be converted into binary, into decimal as well as into hexadecimal. Here first question, convert 367.52 to the base 8 into binary. So you know binary means two independent symbols, only 0 and 1. So you can express this 367.52 as 0 and 1 because every 3-bit group of binary can be represented by an octal digit. So you know 2 means 0, 1, 0. 5 means 1, 0, 1. 7 can be represented as 1, 1, 1. 6 means 1, 1, 0. And 3 means 0, 1, 1. So your final result is you have to combine all this 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 dot 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 to the base 2. This is your final result. So whenever you have to convert it into binary, you have to represent it in this manner. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So you can represent simply by writing its binary numbers as 3 digits. Since it has got 8 independent symbols ranges from 0 to 7. Here question is from 0 to 7, so you can simply represent it by using 0 and 1. Now your second question is to convert it into decimal. Second question is convert 4057.06 to the base 8 into decimal. So you know decimal means it involves 10 independent symbols ranges from 0 to 9. So here also you can convert like this. First you have to represent your question. Then you have to put, here it is for 8. So you have to mention it as 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1, 8 raised to 2 and 8 raised to 3. Then from dot portion 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2. Now you can represent 4 into 8 raised to 3 plus 0 into 8 square plus 5 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0. 8 raised to 0 means 1. Dot 0 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 8 square. So here 4 into 8 cube, which is equal to 2048 plus 0 plus 5 into 8 raised to 1, 40. 7 into 8 raised to 0. 8 raised to 0 is 1. So 7 point 0 into 1 by 8 is 0 plus 6 into 1 by 8 square. That is 6 into 1 by 4. 64, which is equal to 0.0937. So you can add this together, 2048 plus 40 plus 7, which is equal to 2095.0937 to the base 10, which is your final answer. So for converting octal number system into decimal, you have to multiply it by using 8 raised to 0, 8 raised to 1 and so on. Before decimal portion and decimal portion, you have to multiply it by using 8 raised to minus 1, 8 raised to minus 2 and so on. Now you can see octal number to hexadecimal conversion. For converting octal number to hexadecimal, first you have to represent this number in terms of binary. Then you have to group it into 4 because it is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 16 independent symbols. 2 raised to 4 equal to 60. So you have to group it into 4 numbers. Then you can directly represent by corresponding numbers. You can see now 756 can be written as 756.603. Now you will be saying 7 means 111. 5 means 101, 6 means 110, dot as such, 6 means 110, 0 means 000, then 3 means 011. Now I have represent this octal number in terms of binary. Now you can see I have to represent it by using hexa. So you have to group it into 4 numbers. Here from before decimal you can take from here. Before decimal you can take from here. And after decimal you can start from here. So here 4 numbers, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 numbers. This one you can represent it by 3 zeros. Putting 3 zeros. Then here 1, 1, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1. Then for this one you can represent it by 3 zeros. So 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you can take 0, 0, 0, 1 means 1. 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0 means E. Again 1, 1, 1, 0 which is again equal to E dot. 1, 1, 0, 0 which is equal to C. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to 1. Then 1000, which means equal to 8. Now your final result is equal to 1ee.C18 to the base 60. For converting octal to hexadecimal, first you have to represent it by means of its binary numbers. Then you have to group it into 4 numbers. From decimal portion, you have to start from here, and for a normal portion, you have to start from here. Now we will be saying hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, hexadecimal to decimal number system conversions. So first conversion is hexadecimal to binary. Convert 4BAC16 to binary. Binary means only two independent symbols 0 and 1. So here you can see 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1000, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 11, 101111. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Here you can see 4, B, A, C. Represent it by means of these numbers. So 4 you can see 0, 1, 0, 0. So 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Then B means 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. A means 1, 0, 1, 0. And C means 1, 1, 0, 0. So you will be getting your final answer as 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 to the base 2. This is your final answer. So you have to know this table, then only you can represent any number using hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal or octal number system, you have to know this table. Now you have to convert hexadecimal into decimal. Second question is convert 5C7 to the base 16 to decimal. So decimal means here you have to represent this by means of 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. Now you have to multiply 5 into 16 raised to 2 plus C into 16 raised to 1 plus 7 into 16 raised to 0. Here 5 into 16 square means 1280. Here C means, you can see, C means here 9, then 10, 11, 12. C means 12. So you can take 12 into 16 raised to 1. Then 7 into 16 raised to 0, which is equal to 7. So your final answer will be 1479 to the base 10. If you are having some decimal portion here, then you have to take 16 raised to minus 1, 16 raised to minus 2 and so on. Then your final conversion is hexadecimal to octal. Third question, convert B9F.AE16 to the octal numbers. So represent it by using binary B9F.AE. Represent it by using your binary numbers. B means 1011. 9 means 1001. F means here. F means 1111. Then dot. A means 1010. Then E means 1110. Now you will be knowing how you can represent it by using octal. For octal, you have to take 3 numbers to the left and from here you have to start from here and have to group it into 3 numbers. So group it. 1 1 1 forms a group, then 0 1 1 another group, then 1 1 0 another group, 1 0 1. Then here you have to start 1 0 1, then 0 1 1, here 1 0 only, so put a 0 here and have to write the answer. So 1 0 1, that is 5, 1 1 0 which is equal to 6, then 0 1 1 which is equal to 3, 1 1 1 7, dot 1 0 1 5, 0 1 1 3, 1 0 0 4. So your final answer will be 5637.534 to the base 8. Hope you have understood all number system conversion. Please like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.